Have you ever wondered what the secret sauce is for Elon Musk's massive success? Did you know that in 2008, Musk went from substantial debt on the edge of failure to then becoming the richest man on the planet? In this video, we will explore the rise of three of Musk's main businesses: PayPal, SpaceX, and Tesla. We will unpick how his remarkable mindset has led him to great heights, often lifting him from great lows. We will uncover the truly astounding results of the amount of time a young 12-year-old Musk spent reading space novels, dreaming to bring to life his futuristic ambitions. So watch on to find out how to implement Elon Musk's secret sauce of success into your life. We will reveal all the extraordinary methods that helped an individual just like you and me reach the peak of personal growth. The entrepreneur, business mogul, Elon Musk was born in South Africa in 1971. His excellence was noted from a young age. By the age of 12, Musk had created a space shooter game that he called Blastar. He would eventually sell the game to a PC magazine for a few $100s. The rest was history. The first of his goals was to reach North America. His fascination and admiration of the technology lured him in. By the age of 17, it would come to be. After a few years spent living in Canada studying at Queen's University, he would attain a scholarship to attend the University of Pennsylvania. Next on the horizon was Stanford University Graduate School. It was during this time Musk would experience the first of many significant failures, attempting to get a job at Netscape Communications. Musk reflected upon this, stating, "I didn't get a reply from Netscape, and I actually tried hanging out in the lobby, but I was too shy to talk to anyone." Shortly after, Musk would leave Stanford prematurely to start his first company, Zip2. The function of the company was to create software that could help bring media companies online. However, his first big success, one that led to his involvement in SpaceX and Tesla, was of course, PayPal. Elon Musk provided great insight into his character when he merged his company X.com, an online bank, with competitor Confinity. The outcome? PayPal. The business endured a turbulent start and was actually named the worst business idea before the millennium began. So what was Musk's response? Work harder. We can explore the unwavering focus of the 24-year-old entrepreneur here. He had gambled with X.com in order to join forces and create something that he believed could be a great success. His fearlessness to take risks without knowing the outcome is inspiring. He famously stated, "If something is important enough, you should try even if the probable outcome is failure." Interestingly, Musk was actually fired from the board of PayPal. Max Luchin, co-founder, and Peter Thiel, early investor, had disagreements with Musk over branding and micromanagement. The company was eventually sold to eBay in 2002 for a staggering $1.5 billion. For Musk, still a major stakeholder in the company, this meant a large sum of $180 million came flying his way. So what was his next move? He almost immediately funded the money to SpaceX, Tesla, and Solar City. To be ready to take risks at all times is the first ingredient of Musk's secret sauce of success. Now the attention turned to SpaceX. The American aerospace company was founded in 2002 and is concerned with developing commercial flights into space. The idea is to make affordable flights into space possible. Musk's journey with SpaceX serves as a great indicator to his outright desire to pursue and commit to his passions. The pursuit of his passions adds another ingredient of success to the pot. Even from a young age, Musk had his sights set on a business such as SpaceX. A young Elon would read science fiction novels for more than 10 hours a day. The ideas and concepts drew him in and inspired to create such fantastic ideas himself. The creation of the Falcon 1 rocket aimed to send small satellites into orbit. The first launch in 2006 was met with disaster. A fuel leak and fire ended hope, but only for that year. Elon Musk and SpaceX continued to work persistently around the clock to successfully launch the Falcon 1 rocket. The year 2007 was met with continued failure, which spilled over into August 2008. It seemed a curse was upon the Falcon 1 rocket. The year 2008 was the darkest stage in the life of Elon Musk. All his money had gone into Tesla and SpaceX with little reward. Moreover, that same year a global recession occurred and Musk was going through a divorce with Justine, the woman with whom he shares 5 children. Musk was broke, in huge debt, and living off loans from friends. His reaction? To pursue what he set out to achieve. A timely moment for Musk's empowering advice. Persistence is important. You shouldn't give up unless you're forced to give up. Surely enough, by September 2008, the fourth attempt to launch, Falcon 1 was successfully sent into orbit. The knock effects were huge. SpaceX was rewarded with a NASA contract worth more than $1 billion. An engrossing way of thinking can be credited here for Musk's success. Musk, like philosopher Aristotle, uses the idea of first principle thinking when problem solving. To put it simply, first principle thinking is breaking down complicated problems into basic elements to then reassemble them from the ground up. A useful tool of thinking for Musk and a great way to think for yourself. In the year 2008, despite suffering the most challenging setbacks to date, he remained mentally strong, continued to pursue, and took a huge risk. It all paid off. Musk once stated, if that fourth launch had failed, SpaceX would be dead for sure. To further reveal the ingredients to Musk's secret sauce of success, we can dissect his most renowned company, Tesla. The goal of Tesla, as stated on the website, is accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. Established in 2003, Tesla is the creator of electric vehicles, while also installing and monitoring energy systems and selling solar energy. The company was originally founded by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, who made Musk chairman in 2004. Musk has funded Tesla with large sums since his sale of PayPal. The next ingredient that Musk credits to his success is to ignore all critics. Tesla faced heaps of criticism over the years concerning the safety of cars. According to Business Insider, in 2009, Tesla had to recall 345 of its Roadsters made between 2008 and April 2009. The issues at hand could cause the driver to lose control of the car, resulting in accidents. Musk also faced continuous backlash over the dangers of the autopilot function installed within the cars. What did Musk do? He entirely ignored his critics and went ahead producing Tesla vehicles he believed could change the car industry. Musk always focuses on what matters to him. He isn't concerned with the opinion of others or their judgments on success, a truly liberating feat to undertake. This also has the knock-on effect of making decision-making easier. His mindset and focus remain centered in his beliefs. We can draw upon certain statistics to help prove this. Firstly, Tesla company earnings exceed $50 billion. In addition, the Model 3 was the world's most popular plug-in car in 2020. Insider states that Tesla is one of 6 U.S. companies that have reached the $1 trillion market cap, more than its 9th largest competitors combined. Elon Musk has never been afraid to think big. He places no limits upon himself, therefore, nothing he attempts to achieve seems impossible. He uses a method of thinking in probabilities in order to achieve success. This method means Musk does not allow himself to think in black and white. He will instead assert attention to the chances of different outcomes, constantly striving for different possibilities, thus contributing to his hugely innovative and creative nature. Elon Musk has remained certain with what he wants to achieve from the outset. The laws of manifestation state that you must remain clear about what you want to achieve. Musk has never faltered from his goal, even in the face of failure and almost certain collapse. His belief stays centered no matter what comes his way. He followed his dream from his early years, the time spent reading science fiction novels, striving to be somebody who could create incredible, futuristic, mind-blowing things, actually came to be. All he has achieved has not been for money, another ingredient for success. Musk did not expect SpaceX or Tesla to make much money, if any. He was a man pursuing his dream to make drastic changes to the future of the universe. He measures his success on making a difference and achieving what he sets out to achieve. The final ingredient to Elon Musk's secret sauce of success, perhaps the most important and simple. One must enjoy themselves in their pursuit of their dreams.